If your social media game isn't strong, you're going to struggle building your business in this digital age. Don't fret, we're here to help. Be inspired by and make your life easier with our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Social Media Marketing Templates for 2021. All items featured in this video are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. ADL Instagram Post version 3.14 by Adel Badianto. We've double tapped to like this creative social media post template because it works in all the right ways. It's perfect for showcasing a new range of products or notifying consumers of a sale going on in your e-commerce store. Number 9. 12 Instagram Stories Volume 6 by Pixfix. Your Instagram story matters. Whether you're a small business, big business, influencer, or solo freelancer, you need to get your content seen. This template allows you to easily connect with your followers and tell your story. Number 8. Fashion Instagram Templates Pack by Motion Media Group. The number 8 installment in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Social Media Marketing Templates for 2021 collection truly is the full package. It comes complete with 20 social media templates to choose from. They're all super easy to mix and match each style to suit your unique brand. Number 7. Kinetic Typography Instagram Stories by Yeti. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, this Instagram story template pack takes that quite literally. Tell your story through a clever literary design concept, dynamic animations, and stylish themes with this pack. Number 6. 20 Pastel Instagram Templates by Switzergirl. This beautiful pack of design templates is so kawaii it hurts. The light pastel colors and minimalistic themes truly create an atmosphere that's perfect for cutesy influencers and chic fashion labels. This Envato Elements Top 10 Best Social Media Marketing Templates for 2021 countdown is all about boosting social media presence. So we're following our own advice here and asking you to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing more content like this. Thanks for your support. Number 5. Luxury Instagram Stories by Nullifier. Inspire your followers to live a life of luxury and indulge in your high-end products with this Instagram story template. It's not OTT, but it's got just the right level of glam to appeal to the more affluent consumer. Number 4. Instagram Social Media Banners Pack by WebDonut. Attention to detail and a nod to the latest design trends put this pack near the top of our countdown. Each element has been designed to attract more clicks and build your online presence organically. It's easy to edit and includes a video tutorial to refer to if you get stuck. Number 3. Instagram Stories Stomp by NeuronFX. Stand out from the crowd with this bright, electrifying pack of Instagram story templates. Simply add your titles and post directly to your Instagram or Facebook story. It's that easy. No plugins, no hassle, just simple social success. Number 2. Instagram Ultimate Pack version 2 by Micromove. Highly professional, yet wonderfully creative. This social media marketing template pack has something for everyone. Fashion icons, travel lovers, e-commerce moguls, vlogger, and bloggers tailor the 12 multi-purpose templates to your liking. Number 1. Modern Stories for Premiere Pro by Powerbank. The modern, striking vibes captured in this template have been included specifically to catch the eyes of viewers from all different walks of life. If your products encompass a large target market, this is a story template pack for you. And that brings us to the end of our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Social Media Marketing Templates for 2021 countdown. Did you find your next social media campaign template pack here? Let us know in the comments. Before you go, please take the time to like, share, and subscribe so that other creatives like yourself can easily stumble upon these videos. If you've got time, check out the next video in the queue. It's been chosen just for you. Find all the social media marketing templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements to help your story stick in the minds of your followers long after they're done scrolling.